Software Spring. Presents. How to use PV and FV for financial offer analysis in Google Sheets. Hi folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial, which gives the steps to use the PV and FV functions for analyzing a financial offer. I request you to please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for your support. Okay, here is a quick intro to the PV and FV functions. PV stands for present value. It is the present value of a future return on an investment. FV stands for future value. It is the future value of the present amount for investment. Alright, let's take a look at syntax of the PV function formula. Here is an example. Here is the syntax of the FV function formula. Let's look at an example. Now, let's consider a scenario. A father offers his son a pocket money of Rs 10,000 today, or Rs 10,500 after a year from today. If the annual interest rate is 6.5% and interest is compounded quarterly, which offer the son should choose? To decide which offer to choose, first, let's calculate the present value of Rs 10,500. The formula for this data is rate of interest is divided by 4, because the interest is compounded quarterly. Let me type the formula. The negative symbol indicates cash outflow. Going forward, let's calculate the future value of this amount. The formula for this data is. Let me type the formula. Let me remove the dollar symbols. The present value of Rs 10,500 is less than Rs 10,000. So, accepting this amount today is prudent. The future value of Rs 10,000 is greater than Rs 10,500. This further confirms accepting Rs 10,000 today is wise. Summary: PV and FV functions can be used in financial offer analysis to decide on the best offer. PV function assists to calculate the present value of an amount expected in the future. The PV function formula is FV function assists to calculate the future value of the present investment amount. The FV function formula is. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.